Hey everyone, I'm going to quickly show you how to adjust the volume of your button beeps on this NetworX alarm keypad. So in my case, the buttons are very loud. You can hear it and can cause disturbances when you're trying to turn off an alarm in the morning or something like that. So all we have to do to adjust this to a lower volume is hit *0, and once we do that, it'll go into the adjustment settings, and then I can use the up and down buttons to either go lower or higher depending on what I'm looking for. And then after I've done that, I'll just hit pound to lock that setting in. So I'll show you real quick. *0. I can lower that tone, hit pound to lock that in, and now when I go to hit my buttons, you can see it's a much lower volume. It won't disturb anyone when I'm setting that or taking that alarm off in the mornings while everyone's sleeping.